everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am so excited to have all of you here. I'm working on a 12 by 36 Artist Loft canvas. It's a level 2. You can see I've got some marks here, and I've made the center line. This is the center line of the canvas, and I'm going to do something on the center. And I went ahead and just taped it. We'll see if it works for a marker for me. I'm using my Winterstrom spinner today. I'm not going to be spinning it out, but it is just a guide for me. And because I'm going to be carrying this over, and I have an area that I cover large paintings like this, and I don't want any push pins in. So hopefully it doesn't move on me and mess it up a little bit. So we're going to start with the colors. Let me show you the colors real quick. This is very simple. I have some white, and my paints are 50% Floetrol, 50% GAC 800 to 5 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And I'm using just black white for my base. My 3 colors, I have Amsterdam, this one is Amsterdam Phthalo Blue and Blick Phthalo Blue mixed. The next one, I'll show you the consistency. This is going to be this little piggy Nebula. And let me look, because this one, then dark cobalt violet hue mixed. And I've been putting you can see, it's not as thin as a pearl pour or my regular Dutch. A little bit thicker. And then I have Amsterdam Greenish Blue, one of my faves. So let's get started. Like I said, I am literally just experimenting. So we're going to tip it around and get it. I don't need a thick layer, so if I can not waste it, that's great. Okay. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go down a little bit. Unfortunately, I didn't want to do it on top of there, but I did. That's okay. Okay, go all the way down. Okay. That's why we have tape on the back. Let's put a little bit here and kind of run it off. Right back into the container. Okay, make sure we don't got any bloopers. I don't see any. All right, so these little tabs, I did paint my edges white too, by the way. I don't know if I really needed to do that. So these little tabs are guidelines on where I'm going to do my colors. So I'm going to take these messy gloves off. I've been painting here, so all right. I think I'm going to start with a greenish blue, and I'm going to take this out all the way to the edge. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to go with the Nebula and Pebeo. Oh, I can see the sparkle in there. All right, then I'm going to go with the Phthalo Blue. Okay. Make that line a little bit deeper here. Okay. And I'm going to put a little paint around it. Just a little mound to give it something to blow. Oop, didn't want to do that. That's okay. Okay. All right, now I'm going to blow this out, and I'm going to concentrate, and I will see you after we blow it out.
Think about you all the time.
okay. So let's go over what I've done wrong so far. I should have used my large blow dryer. It has a bigger nozzle or tip on the end. It would have created bigger petals. I used my small blow dryer and I just did not like the petals. I do, however, love using this straw, and I'm just kind of, it's got a tip on it that's kind of pushing that white into the flower. And I did go back. I'm using the spoon. This is really just fiddling, trying to figure out how to get this to look like a flower. So I am ditching the idea of doing like a Dutch bloom like I did in Tara's class that I did take Tara's class when I was in Seattle. I was Tara's assistant, but I was able to take a class, and that's this Dutch bloom is the one that I chose to do. So did great in the class, but this one, again, I just used the wrong blow dryer. But that's okay, because we are going to still do a second flower, and the end results are just so beautiful. I still love it. So now it's just playing around, getting a little bit of distinction here in that center. I do think I had too much paint on the canvas because the center just kept closing up as well. But this was an experiment, and I learned a lot going forward for the next time that I do this. So we're going to start the next flower, and I will see you there.
You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird?
Okay, so I'm continuing to fiddle with the center. I really like that one. So you can see where on one flower I did low, on the other I did high. Should I have even said that? I don't know, but I really am just fiddling with this. I'm really pleased with the end result, though. Here's a close-up. I'm going to go down for a close-up. I love this. It's very beautiful. I see a lot of weird lacing in this one, and I really did too many petals, and I probably should have. I don't like the little white marks. I shouldn't have torched, but this still, look how beautiful there. I love Don't know what happened there, but I do love that center. I'm coming along. And when I'm looking at the center, I'm like, should I mess with it anymore? When I'm looking at this painting just as a whole, I love it. I think it'll be beautiful if it dries the way it needs to dry. I will be sure to show you the dried results and have it hanging on the wall. So this really doesn't have a lot of distinction in the flowers, the petals, like I would like it to. So next time, not so many petals, a little bit more distinction. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I will be back to show you the dried results. See you there. Okay, here we go. It dried the same as it was wet. There's nothing that I'm really upset about with the dried results. It looks beautiful in a black frame over this dresser and then with the chair. So there really is a lot that you could do with this painting. It's a large painting, so I absolutely love it. I'm calling it Double Dutch because I really was doing a bloom blowout and it turned into a double Dutch pour. All right, everyone, thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And I'd love, if you haven't subbed already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber so that I can share all of my upcoming art pieces with you. Okay, take care, everyone. Till next time.